these are my new drawers. And guess what they store? My smoke detector collection. Except for those two. Those are just other stuff. I'll just show you a quick run through my collection. These are I-4618s, I-4618As right here. This is an AC, FG2 dollar, FG250, Simply Safe, P9040, X-Sense of some sort, the Citterwell right there. Two of my Daring Dibble ESL 445 CTs, 449 CT, Watchdog Water Alarm, Home Hero BRF, Universal, I forget the model. That one, if you remember this, the Christmas ornament smoke alarm. And here's the other part for it. 0914 right here. I don't know why that's in here. That should be in the Kidde bin. Family Guard FG888. One of my True Senses. The other one's on the board. Signal 1. All of my Nest Protects. Here's the part that's going to take forever. Look at how many kid alarms I have. And I don't even know if I'll be able to show all of them. This is a bunch of... It's an I-9080. It's an I-9030. Those are both branded by Garrison. P3010H, L, and KCO. P4010 something. I don't know. P4010 something. Kansas B, I think. Is it? Yeah, Kansas B. I-9070. Copic. Kansas IB, I think. Arfisem something. What is this? DC is an I-9040. HD135F. Kansas BA, I think? I don't know. 0916, I believe. Yeah. Firenex 0916. This, I believe, is a P9050. That one is an I-12080. I'm getting another one of those soon for mod. COPIC. There's another I-9040 in there. Some more P4010s. Yeah. P12040. I-12040, I believe. Let me just double check. No, this one's the I-12020. Here's an I-12040 CA. I-12060. IBA. Another I-9040 that's Canadian. Here's one of my BRFs, which I could actually stick right there. This actually belongs over here. You can tell I have extra room for things. Yeah. Here's a bunch of my carbon monoxide alarms. This one I believe is a I-9010. Yeah, all the way back there. A bunch of my carbon monoxide alarms, including this one right here, if you remember. Another 0910, I-12010 SCA, a P12040 CA, Kansas some XTRB. I mentioned the IBA already. Yeah, there you go. Check this one. 3 SA303s. These two are older in the back. That's an SA304 back there. SA720, 7010B, 7010BA, 7020B, 3120B, SA520, SC710BVA, aka the French manual, P1210, P1210, this one's the first generation, P1210E, PC1210, PC1210V, SC01, made in 2001, I believe, SC67B, SC150B, SCD3N, CO605, I think? CO606, and CO600. One link safe and sound, first alert, regular P1010 Atom, SC7010 LBLV, which I'm afraid that's gonna false. Oops, I messed everything up. Ah, no. I gotta be careful closing some of these drawers, or else they're just gonna start falling over. I honestly don't want them. And here's like basically my vintage collection. God, it's a whole lot, and it's not very nicely organized. God, I just don't like that. All the way in the back there, we have an 1839N, 86 REC 3rd generation, FACO, right there. 83R, probably from the 2000s because it does go 3. SA90LT, FG1000 CLA, wake and ward of some kind, I forget the model. SA67D, 1839 ACI, 86RAC, FireX G6, CCPB, CEC right here, CB, CD32 right here, FX1218, PAD, ADC from 2007, I believe, FADC, ADH, 6040 COQ6, FADCQ 7000. God. Black & Decker 60M1, I believe. 0916 transitional. 0916, but the newer version. 0915, 0918 right there. 1285, 1275, 0915 again, but it has the Firenetics cover. 1235, 0976. I never really cared about that unit. I forget the model of this. It's a Jameson of some kind. 0905, 0914. Oh wait, did I say 0915? This is an 0905. That's a 1225. This is a Jameson Model A that's in really bad shape. 0908. 84-779 are base Montgomery Awards. Dicon 330. LSG. Mastercrafts. Basically a Dicon 300, just not. And my Sears 350 045. Yeah. That's my collection. If you're wondering where the rest is, it's just on my wall somewhere. Because up there's my i3, if you want to see that. Here's where my other True Sense is. This is where one of my I-12040s, I believe, went. No, that's a P-12040, never mind. There's one of my, that's my Canadian, that's my IBACA C3010D, all that stuff. If you're wondering, that's where all the other stuff went. That's my carbon monoxide. I'm just standing there. There's this, that, yeah. And then, of course, this, and then this, yeah. And then there is also one in my closet right there, which I'm probably going to move out, but I don't think I will at the same time. So, yeah. Smoke alarm collection as a quick update, and my new drawers. Bye.